I'm Dr. Adam Lindsay, a board-certified orthopedic surgeon specializing in shoulder surgery. This brace is designed to support your shoulder comfortably and securely after surgery. You'll be wearing it for around 4 to 6 weeks, maybe longer, depending on your doctor's recommendation. This brace is commonly used after rotator cuff and shoulder replacement surgeries. After your surgery, your care team will put the brace on your arm before you wake up. Your doctor and your physical therapist will let you know when it's okay to take the brace off. You'll need to remove it for showering and dressing. To remove the brace, first, make sure your injured arm is supported. Undo the thumb and elbow restraints. Unbuckle the 2 quick-release straps, then gently slide your arm out of the sling. To put the brace back on, support your injured arm and slide your forearm into the sling. Then, slide your other arm through the harness. Buckle the quick-release straps and close the elbow and thumb restraints on the sling. If you're planning to wear a long-sleeve shirt or a jacket, first put your uninjured arm through the sleeve. Then bring the rest of the jacket or sleeve around your sling and button it appropriately. If the brace feels too loose or too tight, you can adjust it for a better fit. It may be helpful to have a friend or family member assist you. The shoulder, underarm, and waist straps can all be easily adjusted. Call your doctor if you have any increased pain, swelling, or other reactions due to wearing the sling. If you've followed these instructions and still can't get the brace to fit correctly, please call our cast room or talk to your physical therapist.